So if you specifically focus on India, what do you think about Make in India initiative?
I think it's fabulous. What Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, has done with that initiative is really think about it holistically. He's not just asking for increase in manufacturing GDP or increase in manufacturing jobs. He's actually aligning his policies to facilitate that. And what I mean by that is there is production linked incentive schemes. So he is offering 5, 6, 7, 8% varying, percentages of rebates on export amount. Then he's also, that's one way to spur and incentivize manufacturing. Now the other thing he's doing is building Skill India. Skill India is an initiative to bring technical skills and manufacturing skills to all of India, especially this younger generation that's between, like 18 and 36, which is half the population of India. And then the third part would be the industrial corridor development. So he has found the specific corridors. And for example, there are certain pockets of India, like Delhi in the north, like Pune in the west, like Chennai in the east, and like Coimbatore and a few others, in the south. And I think what he's tried to do is connect them with strong transportation, whether that's rail, whether that's car, making it easier for the whole domestic supply chain to work. Because historically, most people, even within India, have focused on their locality, And so I think there's a few different aspects of the Make in India initiative that he has really facilitated, which I think is probably the true reason behind why it's taken off.
Yeah.
I think if he just said, hey, okay, let's increase manufacturing GDP and let's increase jobs, but there's no real avenues to facilitate that, I think it would have been a pipe dream, in all honesty.
Yeah.